box. New 13-inch from China, Turbo. You can buy from Alipay, also you can buy from Turbo. See which one you're happy with. So this is nothing new, it's all the Android unit. Come with all the functions that everyone wants now. This is around 2.55 kilo, sent by airmail. Finally, someone sent you an instruction, but this is just talk about how to connect with your camera. Okay, let's open. Wow, quite big, 13-inch, bigger than my iPad. Oh, so they come with the air fan adapter. So this is how it goes. This is my iPad Pro, I think 11-inch. This is a 13-inch of unit, so bigger than iPad. So similar like the Tesla, I think. So this is how they come with, nothing. One of this cable, lots of cable. Let's install it, see how it goes. Pretty easy. Get the screwdriver, get the left hand side, all the way back. So we got this in. Then you see the two screw Philip had two screw at the back of that, but two packet, unscrewed it, then unscrewed it. Stereo 13-inch behind there and some original cable there. So these two of them is the extra USB for input. Look at the video, I got the first one in. We got the screen on. So all done. 4G antenna, GPS antenna over here. The nice work. This is if you have all the extra subwoofer, then extra USB cable for video or anything to input. Then the rest is all done. The most important is they don't need to plug this original plug back to the audio. The rest is done. Hopefully it works. Most is done. Last thing is to take this when the fan out from the original unit, and then plug it back to the new one. Just double check audio out. So all this one is for the UX. So we got subwoofer. So people want to upgrade more like subwoofer and audio in now thing is all up here. Gonna put the monitor back in. Hopefully you guys know how to do that. Now I'm gonna put this to screw back in, put the cover back in. So I got the 4G SIM card in here. There's only data, yeah? Not, you can't call, you can't use SIM card for calling. So when I reverse the car, it's hooked up to the original Honda 360 camera. So which is quite good. Now I go back to Apple CarPlay. Everyone want that because this is not the update system of the device from your car, not the 2022. They come with auto CarPlay. So Apple CarPlay is the most important. That's the Apple CarPlay. You need to hook up with the Bluetooth. Okay. Once you always leave the Bluetooth on, they will automate on. Another button is you can transfer your video that you play on your phones, synchronize that in there. This is for Google Map. So Google Map, you can just use some voice. This is coming with the login, so voice over here. So you can see how fast of this head unit Android open. About 5 to 6, 7 seconds. Yeah. So YouTube. So you're gonna play some video. That's the and this is the setting. Okay. Holding docked, yes, on. Allow the automatic connect, yes. So if you go on this top Windows setting, so they only got 4 apps. I got this for video that you want to play, like my USB. This one is YouTube. So YouTube, you must have the data SIM. This one you don't need because you can play with your USB device. So if you click on it, if I click on it, from a map to the video device, yeah. So set whatever button that goes to you. That's radio. Yeah, radio, they all set is perfect. They come with names and whatever that they pay. Very good. This is sort of app that I got on my Android Auto. It's called WhatsApp, YouTube Kit. And you can download any apps you want. When you come to this page, is the Android Auto head unit setting. So you can go to the network if you got a Wi-Fi, if you got a mobile network like me, got a data card, the display brightness, the font, how big you can and how small you can adjust, the background image and color. When you go to the channel, is all the navigation buttons, sleep time, like the monitor sleep, just like those laptop settings. And the original is just the car one. So reverse don't set too much thing. When I install this, the most important is the NTS. You're gonna change it. Voice, you can voice function this device. System, so sometimes this system can upgrade. So you have to always check in the system upgrade. So this is my system. The platform is called TES18. And if you go in the CPU, my CPU is 8 core. With 1.6 gigahertz, 128 gigabyte for storage, and then 6 gigabyte of RAM. You can buy 256 and 8 gig of RAM, a little bit faster. And you can see I'm using Optus in Australia on my data SIM 4G. Resolution is 1920 times 1200, and the Android device is Android 10. If the top one you slide down, you can go to brighter, and then also the volume. That's the folding buttons for that one, the circle one. Data, you can get data. There's the menu. There's the equalizer. There's so many things you can adjust it. Not bad. So you go folding, you go back to the home. Actually this window is over here, so you can move around and you can go. suggest standard metals. So this is the equalizer. Hope you guys like it. Let's go back out. So what do you think? So this is a YouTube 4K video test. So this one is 1080 1080p 60 something. Really good. Thank you everyone watching this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed the installation and review for the Android Auto car head unit. If you have any questions, please leave some comment. Remember to subscribe, like and share. This is Coach Rocky. I'll see you next time.